Spider plant, now a common ornamental indoor plant in every Bhutanese home. The spider plant, scientifically known as Chlorophytum camosum, is a popular, low-maintenance house plant known for its air-purifying qualities and attractive arching leaves, produces small, white flowers and spider-like offshoots called cups or plantlets, likes evenly moist soil but can withstand occasional drought-dotted, removes toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. It is non-toxic to cats and dogs. Is easily propagated through division or by planting the